Cherokee, Gray Wolf, I hear these are pretty popular.
Very popular. So, well, Cherokee's the #1 seller in the United States last year. You know, the biggest thing I think why they're so popular is just because the price point's very good on them, but they jam-pack with a bunch of features. Okay. Right. So you're just getting a ton for your money.
And they're sharp looking. Every one of them is kind of like these darker, cool colors. Cool for me. I like them.
Yeah, they're
What's
darker.
The door look like? Yeah.
The doors are one of the coolest things about them, right? You know, obviously it's been snowing out, so it's got a little bit of watermarks on it right now, but it's like a tempered glass look. Yeah. Right? Can't see through it. But then when you open it up, it does. You got a window there, you can see out.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Pretty cool.
Very cool. An awning. Awning is in right now, but the awning with the LED lights underneath.
Correct. So basically information on the unit. It's a 2022 Gray Wolf Special Edition. It's a 26 DJ SE. Okay. As far as like total length on the unit, it's 29 foot 6 inches, so you're under 30 foot as far as your total length. You're only coming in at 4596, so basically 4,600 pounds. So your options as far as with SUVs and tow vehicles is just wide open there, right? Yep. Let's sort of come up front a little bit. Again, like this, the coloring, right? I always like to show the front end. It's got like a silver with black graphics. It's got a nice rock guard. Again, all your features are going to have power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, 12-volt deep cycle battery. Great. And as you come down, you'll have, obviously you've got your power awning. It does have it's a 12-volt power awning, and then it's going to have a full blue LED light. So that's their theme, blue lighting, right? Right. Doesn't attract bugs. It's not really bright and get your neighbors all blinded and everything while you're out there. That's one big thing. You see that you got blue lighting in your speakers. Yeah.
I didn't know about the doesn't attract bugs.
Yeah, blue lighting doesn't attract bugs like your white lighting would.
Well, that's cool. I never heard that. Yeah. That's awesome. Learn something every day.
Absolutely.
Yeah, nice.
As you go back, you got storage, and you know, everybody has pets anymore, or even if you don't have pets, that's nice to have where, you know, if you got your bikes and your coolers and stuff, you can go ahead and lock them right to your frame of your trailer.
A little more storage back here.
Storage in the back here, so you've got a storage rack, comes standard on the unit. Backup camera, so not backup camera prep, but it actually comes with a backup camera that you operate through your phone, right? So, and even it's a security too. You can use your phone, like even when you're at your spot, if you want to see what's going on outside, you can pull that right up on your phone as well.
That's awesome.
That's another cool feature that they do, you know.
That's very cool. You don't hear it. You don't hear a lot of them that come with them.
They're all backup camera preps. It's only one of the only ones that I know of that's like that. Wow. It does have the armored underbelly tank enclosure, so they enclose the tanks up, you know, for cooler weather right now. I mean, a lot of people get this question all the time, like, you know, what is it a 4 seasons camper? I don't care what it is, they're all not 4 seasons. You're gonna have to do some type of skirting or put bales around, you know, just to keep the wind from being able to blow up in there. So I always say they're 3 seasons, but you can do 4 seasons, but you'll have to do some extra stuff, you know.
It's good to know also. Cool, should we get inside?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, find out what's going on in here. It's a cool looking kitchen. Blacked out. I mean, the whole, it's very cool.
Yeah, so as you come in, you're no slide, right? But you still feel like you got a lot of space because you got a sofa here, you've got your dinette, you've got your front queen bed, curtain that'll come across to separate you off. Right. As we go to the back and we keep going around, you'll see that we've got double bunks and bathroom and everything. Let's just start right here in the kitchen. Look, they've got one-piece stainless steel undermount sink. No seam countertops. Right. Residential faucet. They call this the hand sanitizing station below.
It used to be soap.
You think COVID had anything to do with that?
Maybe.
But still, it's a good little idea. It's already there. You don't have to, you know, have different ones banging all over. It's convenient where it's not going, when you're going down the road, it's not sliding everywhere, right? Nice countertop or nice cabinet space up top, right behind you as well. So you got full cupboard space. Sleepability, 2, 3 to 4, because this sofa will go down. You're going to sleep 1 to 2 on your dinette, and then
Right.
you got 2 double or double bunk beds.
Sleep a lot of people in this thing.
You sleep a lot of people.
Those look
2,
like the clown
4,
cars people are coming
5,
out.
6, 7, 8 to 10. Let's call it.
Wow.
Then basically, let's look at some of this real quick too. So,
Okay.
you know, you've got all your package, different stuff. So, you know, we've hit on a lot of this stuff, but I mean, just like you even got a fantastic fan. They do USB ports, blue lighting on your stove and cooktop there. I mean, it goes on for days, the amount of different stuff that they give you in this type of price point of a unit.
And this is standard stuff on this special edition.
It's all standard, yeah.
Wow.
Yep, it's in the limited package there.
Wow.
It's all comes with the unit.
Lots of storage back there, obviously in the bedroom area.
Yeah, you'll have hanging
Wardrobes.
hanging on both sides, his and hers. More storage up top on both sides there. Storage underneath the bed.
Yep.
Now let's head to the back here and we'll show them the bunks and the
Then we
bathroom
talked about
area.
the kitchen a little bit, but three burner.
Yeah, 3 burner cooktop. So with a glass top that just folds twice to get up out of the way when you want to use the burners. Blue lighting, backlit on all your different handles there with an oven below. Residential fridge.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool because they do like almost like a darker black stainless steel look to it.
Yeah, almost like a gunmetal.
Yeah,
color.
gunmetal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty
Matches
sweet.
real good, separates.
Yeah.
Double over double bunks.
There's a little bit of
Yep. Curtain space
privacy.
on
Yep.
both sides.
Those are pretty big bunks. Oh, the boss is back. What do we got? Questions?
Yeah, Annie Dow is asking questions about a trailer. I think someone might have gave her some incorrect information.
Sure.
So she wants to know who can help her. So we're telling her that when you're done, you'll get a hold of her.
Okay, absolutely.
Okay.
And I look forward to helping you. And just send them my phone number or do they have
That's
her
what we'll
number?
do. We'll send her, because I don't want her to put her phone number in chat. So we'll send her your phone number with extension right now, okay? And then just call her right away.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thanks.
Perfect.
He's
Thanks,
looking
Andy.
for something under 25 feet with one slide. Is what Tim's telling me.
Awesome.
New class C. So there you go. So now you know what she's going to look for before she even calls. It's
I'll
like a
call
magic
you.
trick. All right. So here's the bathroom. Again, this is a decent sized bathroom for a smaller.
And it does have a tub.
Yeah, a
a
little
lot
bit
of
of a
people
tub
with
there.
kids like that, you know, because a lot of them are just a pan. So this has that tub where you can give them a bath.
Yep.
Get your toilet, then you got your medicine cabinet and everything up top there, and then just notice how you've got your 10-blade fantastic fan.
Yeah.
You know, most of them are the fan that's the size of a CD in this price point.
Right. That's a good sized fan.
Yeah. So it's an actual max air fan that's going to pull air all the way through the coach.
Yeah. Yeah. This is good.